Hi, everybody. Welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Shaggy reflects on performing for Michael Jackson following the release of the Michael biopic. In a social media post, the Grammy-winning artist stated that performing for the King of Pop back in 2001 was one of the highlights of his career. Michael Jackson was a fan of the Jamaican artist, and one of his favorite songs by Shaggy was It Wasn't Me, you guessed it.
I heard this song. It's one of your favorite songs. You the original banger, you dig that? You dig that? But if you get caught, this is what you gotta say. Listen. One time, everybody. You better tell her you're sorry for the pain that I've caused.
Now, Protégé's Art of Acceptance debuts at number 9 on Billboard Reggae Albums chart. According to World Music Views, The Art of Acceptance stands as the highest charting debut of 2026 so far, with Alkaline's NPT being the only other project to debut on the chart, entering at number 10. Now, earlier this month, the 13-track project made its debut on the iTunes Reggae Albums chart in the number 1 spot. His 2015 project Ancient Future and 2018's A Matter of Time debuted at the Summit, where they remained for a week. Chronic Law's Ice EP debuts at number 1 on US iTunes Reggae Albums chart. The 9-track project, which follows his release from detention, explores themes of isolation, betrayal, endurance, and spiritual grounding, reflecting both the internal and external pressures he faced while in custody. The DJ was detained by US Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE in Florida on January 12. He was released without charge on March 26 this year. Now, on the international scene, Ariana Grande is unveiling her 8th studio album, Petal, set for release this summer ahead of her upcoming tour. Grande says the title represents growth, describing it as something full of life pushing through challenges. The new project follows her 2024 album, Eternal Sunshine, and comes as she prepares to hit the road this summer. Grande's tour kicks off in June, marking her first major tour in several years. The new album drops on July 31st. Now, a new survey of musicians ranks the greatest vocalists ever, with Freddie Mercury, Aretha Franklin, and Whitney Houston topping the list. Entertainment industry website Consequence polled more than 50 musicians to rank the 100 best vocalists of all time. Topping the list, Freddie Mercury, praised for his charisma, power, range, and songwriting. Aretha Franklin comes in next, known as the Queen of Soul, with a voice marked by rawness, power, and absolute mastery. And rounding out the top 3, Whitney Houston, described as the epitome of powerhouse vocalist with a remarkable 5-octave range, tone, and pitch. Other artists ranking in the top 10 include Marvin Gaye, Robert Plant, Beyonce, Ella Fitzgerald, and Michael Jackson. Hee-hoo! That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.